Welcome to Pebbles channel. Today we are going to learn a new tense, l'imparfait. So this is another tense. So we have already learned the present tense, the past tense, passé composé, and also the futur proche. Now this tense, l'imparfait, is also like the past tense, but it is used to express only in certain situations. So shall we see what they are? So first, ce temps. This tense est utilisé is utilized pour parler, to speak des souvenirs, the memories. So to explain, to express your memories, you use imparfait. So remember, imparfait is also past tense, but we have to know in which situation to use passé composé and where to use imparfait. So, ce temps est utilisé pour parler des souvenirs et des habitudes passées. Des habitudes passées. Il est aussi utilisé. It is also used avec le passé composé, along with passé composé, quand on raconte une histoire. So when you are telling a story, you will use both passé composé and imparfait. So we will learn where to use which of these tenses. Both of them are past tense, but in certain cases you have to use passé composé and in certain cases you have to use imparfait. Now let us see how imparfait is formed. So imparfait also has certain endings, but how do we form the imparfait? Let us take an example of the verb aimer. Now, to form the imparfait, the first step is to take the no conjugation of this verb in the present tense. So, for aimer, it is aimant. Aimant. Now, you have to remove the ending ons. So you have to take the no conjugation in the present tense and then remove ons and add the following endings. So this is the imparfait endings. So for je, it is ais. ais. For tu, also ais. For il, ait. So for L also it is ait. For nous, it is ions. ions. So if you don't put this I, it just becomes the present tense. So this I makes the difference. It gives you a different meaning. So ions is the ending. For vous, iez. And for il, the ending is aient. aient. Similarly, for L, it is aient. So this is the endings for imparfait. So the first step is to take the no conjugation of the given verb in the present tense. Then you remove ons and what is remaining will come in every word, and you have to add the endings for imparfait. So je, for je it is, the ending is ais. For tu also ais. Il, ait. For L, ait. For nous, ions. For vous, iez. For il, AIENT. and for L, A-I-E-N-T. So this is how you write imparfait. So I will show you how to write the imparfait for a few more words now.